Hey, 7th grade. This is your math lesson for Thursday, April the 30th. Last day of April. Lesson 162 is due today. We're going to look at a few of those answers. And then 164 and 165 are due on Friday. The odds of 164 and 165 are due on Friday. Do those carefully. Go back, look at lessons where it talks about them. Please don't let things blank. Call me after you have gone back to look for it. If you still don't know how, then call me. This is going to be graded. This is going to go on your report card. So please, please, please do it right. All right, look at lesson 162. Here are some answers. Roman numerals. Get brushed up, we didn't talk about Roman numerals at all, but I think you can figure it out. If not, let me know. Number 1, 3,143. Number 2, 156. Number 3, 1,750. 1,758, I apologize. Number 3, 1,758. My eyes are weird this morning. Number 4, M, C, M, X, X, I. M, C, M, X, I. Number 5, XCV. Number 6, MXLVII. Number 7, converting temperatures. Number 7 is 30 degrees Celsius. We're 30. Number 8, 45 degrees Celsius. Square roots, part D. Number 9, that means what times itself equals 9. So 3 is your answer for number 9. Number 15, there were some questions on the chart on page 352. So let's just look at 352 a little bit. Make sure we understand what's going on. So that first number is the square of 27. So on page 352, you have a chart. You have a number, the square, and the square root. Right? So in this case, they are asking for the square, 27. So your number is 27. Okay? 27, if in your book, this is 27 with a little 2. That means you want the square of 27. Okay? So you look at the square column, the number is 27, go to 27, you look at the square column and it is 729. So your answer for this 27 with a little 2, that is asking for the square, 729. What's 1 square root 1? This one means, so 65 with a little thing like that, that is square root, okay? This is square. If the number is 27 with a little 2, that is a square. 65 with this symbol is square root, okay? You want the square root. So you look on 65, you look at 65 on page 352, find the number in the number column, get to 65, there's 2 columns of numbers, 65, and square root is 8.062, all right? So the 8.062. This means you look at 65 and go to square root. This means you look at 27 and go to square. 27 squared, it means you want square. This means the square root of 65. All right, so that is how to use that chart on page 352. Number 20, solve the wages. Brandon worked 34 hours for $17.75 an hour. Carefully multiply. 34 times, or $17.75 times 34. That's $603.50. Number 21, some of you, a number of you, please, the question is solve the interest problem, find the total amount owed. That means you find the interest, but interest is not the final answer. You add interest to the amount borrowed. Principal plus interest is then your answer. Now for most of these, they want you to find the interest. All right, this one you didn't even have to find the interest. Okay, Timothy borrowed $45,000. He paid $24,300 in interest. What is his total amount paid? You add those two together. Okay, sometimes you don't have the interest, so you have to find the interest. But the final answer is principal plus interest equals total amount owed. So please get that figured out, some of you. All right, make sure you have 164, 165, the odds due tomorrow, and that is what I will grade this weekend. So do it carefully. Have a good day.